mathematical glide path. Explain and getting the great way that we've done it as an organisation. Obviously, because parts of that glide
your emissions are inherent in what you do.
emissions that are associated with your
Which point? The property space, probably in South Africa.
It's a great point.
We need to get out of that.
Are they sleeping?
I think the cheese curls. Where's the thing?
What is the thing? Which couch?
Yeah. I mean, by jumping on them, they had
Flatten them. Toma Mitzi. Malila. Malala. Did you wake him up?
No. He woke up like
Mama,
You think his neck is sore? Ichuite. Ichuite.
The only time he stopped crying is when I told him I'll give him some cheese.
Ika ichu. Obatarillo. Isaho. Hey, Isaho. Toma Mitzi. Out. Sorry, no? Sorry, no?
Fish.
No, he doesn't know where the bathroom is. Follow him.